So we have the filters off already without taking off the battery, without unplugging it. I just bolted off the clamps. I didn't take off the sensors either. Now they're off, ready to be cleaned. Let's get it. So as you can see, there's dirt, dust collected on the filters. They're damaged a bit, but as you can see, all that dirt, dust is gonna go away in a bit. Both, as you can see. So the first thing you want to do is just, as it says on the box, apply the cleaner. The cleaner is ready to use. Shake it a little bit. Just spray. Should be enough. You just want to go ahead and do it all over the filter. Make sure you get everything. I'll be back when it's done. Like, you want to go ahead and grab your water hose and rinse him off. Just rinse it off. Might want to scrub it as well. That should be enough. Let it drip. Shake it a little bit. Might want to use something to pick it with if you have this kind of filter, because there's still dirt in between the cracks. But yeah, I might want to use a brush in a bit. Just shake it. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use something to pick it with in between the cracks. There's still dirt and grime inside. But after this, you're supposed to let it air dry. So I'll go ahead and do the other filter and then clean them with a brush and let them air dry. So as you can see, these are really dirty. You see it's black on top, and then towards the middle it's more clean. So what I started doing is kind of pressurizing the water more with the hose. So I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and show you. So started doing just applying more pressure to the water, so pretty much some in front of the water hose. And I don't even know if I'm supposed to do this, but it kind of works out getting the dirt out. Since it's like really stuck in there, this is what I have to do. And I've been applying the cleaner. I've just been doing the first step over, so I'm satisfied as to how clean I want it. But I'm gonna just keep on doing this, and I'll just start recording back when I'm done. So I let them air dry already for about 20 minutes, and you can see they're cleaner. You can kind of see through it more now. You can see they're a lot cleaner than before. You see they're damaged. So I think it's time to go ahead and add the oil. Just want to go ahead and cover the whole thing, but don't overfill it, because it can start leaking towards your engine and cause problems. But yeah, oh, it has a seal, so just go ahead and pop the seal and just start pouring on little by little on the filter. You see right there, it's like it is red liquid. Just want to be careful. Want to make sure you pour it all over it, but not overflow it, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down so I can do it with two hands, and I'll record when I'm done. So I just got done using the oil. You just want to be careful when using it. Wear gloves. I have no gloves, but because it is poisonous, don't want to get in contact with that. As you can see, I'm gonna put some oil on the top as well, but the red is oil. It's not too thick, it's pretty liquidy, but yeah, I just want to go ahead and put it all over the filter. So you see. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we can go ahead and install them back. Alright, one of the air filters is in. Kind of struggling because one, I have to use 2 hands, and 2, I don't even have a flathead screwdriver. I'm using this to tighten up the clamps. But one more filter and we're done. So yeah, that was pretty simple, honestly, easy process. So I'm gonna probably take it for some test runs, but that was it for the video, honestly.